What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupied space is called matter. Here are the properties of matter. First, how it looks. Second, how it feels. Third, how it smells. Fourth, how it sounds. And last is what is dust. Changing in matter, water is the first example that can change from one state to another by adding or subtracting a heat. A solid changes to a liquid when heat is added. What are states of matter? States of matter are the distinct forms and that different phases of matter take on. Solid, liquid, and gas are the most common state of matter on Earth. Historically, the distinction is made based on the qualitative differences in bulk properties. Solid is a state in which matter maintains a fixed volume and shape. Liquid is a state in which matter maintains a fixed volume that adapts to the shape of its container, and gas is the state in which matter expands to occupy whatever volume is available. And here are the figure of state of matters. First is a solid, liquid, gas, and the plasma. The three states of matter of their basis of classification of the three types, based upon particles arrangement, based upon energy of particles, based upon distance between particles. Solid. So solid is a matter that has definite size and shape. Example, put a sneaker in a box, it stays the same. Solid also holds their shape, and ice and snow are examples of water in the solid state. Particles of solid are tightly packed, vibrating about a fixed position. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Solids have an infinite number of free surfaces. The properties of solid have a definite shape and a definite volume because the particles are locked into places. Solids are not easily compressible because there is a little free space between particles. Solids do not flow easily because the particles cannot move, slide past into another. Liquids is a particles of liquids are tightly packed but are far enough apart to slide over one another. Liquid also have an indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Liquids have also one free surface. Think of water. We usually think of water as a liquid. A liquid will take the shape of whatever container it is in. We drink liquid and water. Liquid also changes to a solid when you take away heat or it gets colder. Properties of liquids. Liquids have an indefinite shape because the particles can slide past one another. Liquids are not easily compressible and have an indefinite volume because there is little free space between particles. Liquid also flows easily because the particle can move or slide past to one another. Gas. So gas of has a particles of gases are very far apart and move freely. Gases have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. Gases have no free surfaces. Gas is matter that has no definite shape. So gases take the shape of whatever container they are in. The example is the air is all around us is a gas. Water vapor is also an invisible gas that is always in the air. Clouds are made up of water vapor. Properties of gases. Gases have an indefinite shape and indefinite volume because the particles can move past one another. So gases are easily compressible because there is a great deal of the free space between particles. And gases also flow very easily because the particles are randomly move fast on one another.